Hi, my name is Susan Minaya. I'm an executive coach and also a learning and development professional with my company, Minaya Learning Global Solutions. I recently attended a 3-day marketing program that Jason put on that was just amazing for me. It was an amazing experience because of the way he really masterfully and simply broke down the essential elements of a successful marketing strategy that you have for your company. And it's not just about selling, it's about really attracting the right people into your sphere of influence and who you want to work with. The insights that I got from this, the processes that he shared, and also his methodologies this is not snake oil. This is things that he's learned through his own experiences in marketing and tried. And so we get to take advantage of that through his stories that he shares, and also just helping us really understand kind of the role of marketing, and most people think of it as selling, but his insights that he shares with you will really have you walking away with a different mindset about what you're doing to attract the right kind of clients. So if you haven't checked out Jason or looked at any of his programs that he has to offer, I would highly encourage you to do so. I refer him to all my friends and colleagues that have businesses that are wanting to market themselves, and I invite you to do the same. Thank you, Jason, for all you've done for me. It's been phenomenal. Take care.